Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make easy vegan meringues. My channel is called Lily and Peony. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm using the whisk attachment for my stand mixer. Then I start with the Aquafaba, which is chickpea water, together with Cream of Tartar. The list of ingredients is in the description box below. So I mix this two together in the stand mixer. I whisk this together on high. Once it starts fluffing, I add in the sugar. I add the sugar a little bit at a time because I want to make sure it's really mixed in together. And after the last bit of sugar, I add in a little bit of vanilla extract. Your mixture is done when it's got stiff peak, like you can see here. Then in a piping bag, I put in a 1M Wilton tip. I fold the top of the bag down so that it's easier. What I'm trying to do is make sort of rainbow color meringues. So here you can be as creative as you want. Using a toothpick, I'm starting with the red color. I'm putting a little bit on the toothpick and spreading it, lining it basically in my piping bag. Then I'm using the purple, and between the lines of the red, I'm adding in the purple. That way when I pipe out, there is an alternate red and purple color. Then what I do is I always like to use a tall vessel or a glass to help me keep the piping bag intact. This is a really good tip. Then I put in the meringue in the piping bag, being careful not to move the color around too much. Once that's done, I push it gently down a little bit, but because my piping tip wasn't cut, I had to cut it just to make sure the airflow and it was easier to push down. I have a baking tray here lined with parchment paper, and I start piping my meringues. I'm doing a few different styles. You see, I'm doing kisses as well as roses. The first few kisses and roses that you do might not have much color, like you can see here for me. But that's okay, just keep piping and the color will eventually come through. As you can see, because mine are stripes, therefore my roses and my kisses are coming out in stripes. If you want, you can have even more colors and make it more rainbow. I then bake them at 250 Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. One really important note is to make sure after they're done, switch off your oven, but don't open it for 30 to 60 minutes. You want them to sit in your oven and cool. In the meantime, I had some leftover meringue, so I wanted to show what else you can do. You can, of course, like me, directly add color to your meringue. For here, I'm trying to make pink meringues, so therefore I added a little bit of red food color to it. With this, you can do the same thing. You can have a solid color, you can have stripes, you can put some color into your meringue, but maybe not mix it in too much. That way there is white patches in it. There's quite a few different things you can do with meringues, and I found the whole process really good fun. I hope you have as much fun as I did making vegan meringues. These turned out beautifully. They are so gorgeous. They are perfect for cupcake or cake decorating, and of course they're great for snacking. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.